Hello? 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 If you don't tell me who this is, I'm gonna call the police. Nope.
Hello, 911, what's your emergency?
I just got this really weird call. There's nobody on the phone, but all I could hear was breathing.
Okay, stay on the line. If they call again, I'll be able to trace the call.
Okay. Hold on. I'm actually getting another phone call right now. Hello? Hello? Leave me alone. Did you get that?
I did, and the call is coming from inside the house. Sit up.
Wow, my neck feels so much better. I can actually turn it. Was that you chasing me the whole time?
I wasn't chasing you. I could hear you complaining about your neck from next door. I thought I might be able to help. I tried calling, but I think the storm knocked out my phone because I could hear you, but apparently you couldn't hear me.
Yeah, it feels so much better. Thank you so much.
Anytime.
Just one more question. If that was you at the house and you on the phone, who kept flicking on and off the lights?
Nosferatu.